American manufacturing is at a defining moment. Formic's mission is to help factories become smarter, stronger, and more competitive today. And 2025 wasn't just big. It was a year of acceleration for Formic. We're reshaping American manufacturing by putting robots to work where they matter most and making the products you need, know, and love. Across the country, we shoulder the heavy lifting for America's workforce, helping to produce 468 million pounds of products. That meant 77 million cases moving across production floors onto 868,000 pallets, preventing 1,920 injuries. As manufacturers looked into the future, they trusted us to deliver results at scale. Deployment pace increased fivefold year over year, managing 8 times more robots per person in 2025. Delivering consistency earned us a 97% renewal rate, and our systems ran day in and day out with 99.3% uptime. We turbocharged the production of hundreds of different products. Our footprint grew nationwide, and that kept expanding faster than ever, making Formic the largest independent robot fleet in America. The robot fleet kept getting better thanks to enormous access to data. We collected 6 terabytes every day to train and improve our AI-driven platforms. And behind every running line was the Formic team. Our field operations team kept hundreds of systems running across 27 states, and our engineering and deployment teams traveled 575,000 miles, enough to circumnavigate the Earth more than 23 times. We published a book to help manufacturers automate with confidence, and our impact made the front page in major news media, reaching a global audience. Most importantly, our customers felt the difference Formic makes firsthand. 5 years. 5 years of focus, learning, and building. Nearly 500,000 production hours delivered. Every hour made us better at what matters most, helping manufacturers run smarter, safer, and more reliably. This year we hit record production hours, launched smarter automation, and delivered stronger support than ever. And we're just getting started.